Welcome to Molsheim, France, where automotive dreams transform into reality at the legendary Bugatti manufacturing facility. The journey begins in the digital realm, where engineers spend years perfecting every curve using advanced CAD software. Computational fluid dynamics simulations test aerodynamics at extreme speeds, ensuring perfect stability beyond 400 kilometers per hour. Space-grade carbon fiber arrives, the foundation material that will form the Chiron's incredibly strong yet lightweight chassis. Technicians hand-lay carbon fiber sheets into precision molds, each layer oriented at specific angles for maximum strength.
20 separate carbon fiber layers build up thickness, with titanium inserts positioned for future mounting points.
The sealed mold enters the autoclave, where extreme heat exceeding 180 degrees Celsius bonds every fiber.
After hours of curing under 6-bar pressure, the monocoque emerges stronger than steel, yet incredibly light.
Ultrasonic testing detects microscopic defects invisible to human eyes, ensuring absolute perfection in every chassis produced.
The completed monocoque weighs just 120 kilograms, but withstands forces that would destroy steel frames.
Aluminum subframes arrive from CNC machining centers, designed to support suspension, engine, and critical crash structures.
Front and rear subframes are positioned with tolerances less than 0.1 millimeters, requiring extraordinary precision.
Every titanium bolt is tightened to precise specifications using computer-controlled torque wrenches, digitally recording each value.
The legendary W16 engine begins as molten aluminum poured into precision sand molds at specialized foundries.
CNC machines perform hundreds of operations, drilling oil passages and machining cylinder bores accurate to within microns.
Engine builders begin hand-assembling over 3,700 individual components into the mighty W16. Forged aluminum pistons with internal cooling galleries are individually weighed and matched to ensure perfect engine balance.
Titanium connecting rods, lighter than steel yet stronger than aluminum, transfer explosive combustion forces to the crankshaft.
Nitrided steel crankshaft undergoes multiple balancing procedures, removing material in precise locations to eliminate vibration.
Turbochargers are strategically positioned, each feeding 4 cylinders and spinning at over 100,000 RPM. Each completed engine runs for hours on dynamometer test stands, monitoring thousands of parameters before receiving approval.
The custom 7-speed dual-clutch transmission must handle 1,600 Newton-meters of torque with lightning-fast shifts.
Carbon fiber clutch plates and titanium gear selectors reduce rotational mass, enabling gear changes in under milliseconds.
The 400-kilogram powertrain assembly is lifted by robotic systems and positioned with millimeter precision into the chassis.
Technicians make hundreds of critical connections, including fuel lines, cooling hoses, electrical harnesses, and exhaust systems.
Wishbone suspension uses forged aluminum control arms at all 4 corners for optimal handling and comfort. Electronic adaptive dampers adjust stiffness hundreds of times per second, balancing luxury comfort with track performance. Carbon ceramic brake discs measuring 420 millimeters operate effectively at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Piston titanium calipers at the front provide fade-free braking performance, capable of stopping from 400 kilometers. Each brake system is assembled and bled to perfection, ensuring maximum safety at hypercar velocities.
Body panel molds are precision machined to create the Chiron's distinctive aerodynamic and aesthetic curves. Each body panel is hand-laid using the same meticulous process as the chassis structure.
Advanced LED headlights incorporate laser high-beam technology, illuminating the road over 600 meters ahead.
The iconic horseshoe grille, Bugatti's signature since 1909, is crafted from polished aluminum by hand.
The complete body shell combines carbon fiber and aluminum panels, each serving both aesthetic and aerodynamic functions.
Surface preparation involves hand sanding with progressively finer grits, checking for imperfections with sensitive fingertips. Multiple coats of high-build primer fill microscopic imperfections, creating the foundation for perfect paint application. Custom paint colors are mixed to match anything from personal items to specific Pantone references.
This color application requires multiple thin coats, applied in hospital-clean conditions, with filtered air.
Several layers of protective clear coat add depth and create the signature Bugatti mirror-like gloss.
Only the finest European full-grain leather hides are selected, with each hide meticulously inspected for perfection.
Master craftsmen select only perfect sections from each hide, requiring leather from up to 8 hides.
Every leather seam is hand-stitched using techniques unchanged for generations, ensuring perfect alignment across multiple panels.
Thread tension, stitch spacing, and alignment are checked constantly throughout the hand-stitching process.
The aircraft-inspired center console is CNC machined from a single block of aluminum, with carbon fiber accents.
Every switch and button is precision machined with satisfying bearings for perfect tactile feedback. The instrument cluster combines analog gauges with digital displays, providing critical information while maintaining aesthetic beauty.
The completed interior is carefully installed into the chassis, with every component fitting with micrometer precision. Over 50 kilometers of wiring connect hundreds of sensors, actuators, and control modules throughout the vehicle.
The custom wiring harness is routed through the chassis with extreme precision and secured properly.
Dozens of electronic control units manage engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, aerodynamics, and safety systems simultaneously. Engineers spend days calibrating vehicle software, ensuring all systems work in perfect harmony across driving modes.
Throttle response, transmission shift points, suspension stiffness, and traction control are fine-tuned for each mode.
Panel alignment and gaps are measured with laser instruments to ensure tolerances within tenths of millimeters.
Paint finish quality is inspected under various lighting conditions to detect any microscopic imperfections. Throttle acceleration runs monitor thousands of parameters, including temperatures, pressures, and emissions to verify specifications.
Professional test drivers evaluate acceleration from 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in 13.1 seconds.
The adaptive rear wing extends and angles automatically based on speed and driving mode selection.
Braking performance is tested from extreme speeds, ensuring the carbon ceramic system provides fade-free stopping power.
Cooling system efficiency is monitored during extended high-speed running to prevent overheating under extreme conditions.
Handling balance and stability are evaluated through aggressive cornering and high-speed lane changes.
Road validation on public roads assesses real-world performance, ride comfort, noise levels, and daily usability.
Bugatti Sur Mesure personalization offers nearly limitless customization options for discerning customers worldwide.
Customers can specify exterior colors, interior materials, stitching patterns, and carbon fiber finishes to preference.
Custom embroidery and monograms add personal touches, with some customers commissioning entirely bespoke interior designs.
Some commissions require months of additional development and craftsmanship to realize customers' unique vision.
Even the undercarriage and engine bay receive thorough inspection and cleaning before customer delivery. Documentation packages include leather-bound manuals, certificates of authenticity, and custom presentation materials.
Personalized car covers and exclusive accessories are prepared specifically for each individual customer.
The completed masterpiece represents 6 months of work and hundreds of skilled craftsmen's dedication.
Each Chiron is loaded into climate-controlled containers for safe transportation to customers anywhere worldwide. Bugatti technicians often accompany deliveries to provide customer orientation and ensure perfect handover experience.
Every badge, every emblem represents Bugatti's uncompromising commitment to automotive excellence and precision engineering.
The famous EB logo honors Ettore Bugatti, whose vision of automotive perfection continues inspiring today. The Chiron's design balances aerodynamic efficiency with timeless aesthetic beauty, creating an instant automotive icon.
From every angle, the Chiron communicates power, luxury, and extreme performance capability.
Inside, the driver is surrounded by handcrafted luxury and cutting-edge technology, working in perfect harmony.
Every surface the driver touches is crafted from the finest materials with obsessive attention to detail.
The distinctive door design provides both dramatic visual impact and practical access to luxurious interior.
Advanced lighting systems provide both functional illumination and distinctive visual signature recognizable anywhere.
Despite extreme performance capabilities, the Chiron remains comfortable and refined for long-distance grand touring.
Pressing the engine start button awakens 16 cylinders and 4 turbochargers, delivering 1,479 horses.
With production limited to just 500 units worldwide, each Chiron represents automotive exclusivity.
The Bugatti Chiron manufacturing process represents the ultimate fusion of cutting-edge technology and traditional handcrafted excellence.